There, this is Cycle Camp coming to you from the range. This will just be a quick video, a couple of shots through the new 1903 or the new old 1903 I just picked up. We'll take a couple whacks at a target. I have no idea where the sights are on this. We'll take 3 shots with some slightly underpowered 30-06 and we'll see what happens. Please excuse the other shooting you hear today. We're not alone on the range today. I have other people with us. So let's get to it.
I didn't notice you shooting left-handed or right? Right. I just realized when you do those three, let's just write your numbers on this.
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Ah, sorry.
Just so you know.
I won't swear then.
Okay. I don't have the gun set up high enough anyway. Got these set back too far in the magazine.
So I shot it in one spot. And I just want to see if I have a bunch of holes. I want to see if I have a bunch of holes in the same spot. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you try my 222. You just got a scope or just sight? Scope. So, come take a look at this. No, it's a bunch of them. Those amplified? No, they're not.
No, I haven't bought any yet.
Let me get my 1022.
Is this empty now or not?
Yeah.
This is messed up. I'm going to have to check this gun when I get home because the rounds are not chambering properly. They're,
You can carry that right.
the bolt doesn't come back far enough to pick them up out of the carrier. And anyway, well, we got the shots off, and in a minute we'll go down and take a look and see where they hit on the target.
Yeah. Looks nice. So it does have a scope.
Hi there, it's Cycle Camp again. Before we go down and take a look at our targets, I just want to point out what was going wrong. You saw me fiddling with the cases. Well, it was my own stupidity because I don't understand this firearm that well. I just picked it up. But you'll notice this little switch here that has the word off written on it. Well, that is the magazine disconnect. And basically what that does is it allows you to single load the firearm without having rounds trying to come up from the bottom. And the way that it works is it keeps the bolt from coming all the way back. So if we take a look at the rounds in the chamber and you see the bolt, when I pull the bolt all the way back, you'll notice the bolt did not clear the head of the round, and it will not pick it up. And that's why I was having to reach in there and push them forward. Well, if I'd have just flipped the switch, right? So now I've got the switch flipped up. Now the way this works is now the bolt comes all the way back, and now you can pick another round up. So that was the reason that I was having trouble picking rounds up from the magazine. The gun is not broken. It was just me totally not understanding the position of the switch and what it was doing. So it's Cycle Camp again. Here we are at the target, and we come up on the target and we didn't hit it at all. Or did we? So here's our set of 3 from the 1903. I am very impressed with the grouping from that gun. That firearm is pretty old, and I was pretty happy with it. Keep in mind I'm using battle sights, and battle sights are typically high. I'm only shooting at 50 yards, so they're pretty high. And to be honest with you, I didn't check to make sure they were totally lowered before I shot. But I was very happy with the grouping. We were using a reduced powder shell just to make sure that we were safe. But very happy with this. I would definitely take this to an older gun match any old time. So thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you guys checking out my 1903 at the range video. Have a great afternoon.